Okay, greetings. Today I will be representing my group in presenting our final project for the for business intelligence course. The title of our project is an analyzation of Google Play's data. So first is going to be our group member, which consists of Violen Anjali Anggraini, Roma Sabet Manurung, and Frenda Ang. And then we also have Christian Pratama Henry, which is myself, and then Ilham Nur. Okay, so first let's talk about the business process behind Google Play. Okay, first is how it works. Google Play acts as a storefront for developers. This means that Google Play acts as a place for a developer to publish their application for Android users around the worldwide. Anyone can sign up for a developer account provided that they have the funds to do so. What funds? We'll talk about that in a bit. Okay, and then let's talk about how they profit. How Google can make profit off of Google Play. First is that they charge a one-time fee of $25 per developer account. This means that each time someone wants to publish an app, they're going to need to pay a $25 one-time fee for a developer account. And then Google will take a 30% commission fee for an app that are paid, which means that if, say, your app needs to be purchased by Google Play, Google will take 30% of the revenue generated by that app. And then, while there are no commission fee for free app, Google will take a 30% commission for every in-app purchases for the first year an app is live, and 15% commission for subsequent years. What this means is that if your app is free but it has some kind of in-app payment like a subscription fee or purchasing fee, at the first year Google will take 30% of that, and then after the first year Google will only take 15%. And then let's talk about the some problem that Google may encounter using Google Play. First is that there are going to be way too many applications. While having more applications on the platform may seem like it's a positive, but it can come with its own drawbacks. Like, for example, it's going to be hard which kind of app are profitable for Google Play or not. Like, say, since anyone can just get a developer account and publish an app after paying the $25, means that even after getting the $25, the profit margin for some random app will be low. And then it's going to be hard for the algorithm to find which app to promote and which app that are not safe to promote. I don't think I need to give some example of which app that are not good to promote, because I'm pretty sure everyone knows what kind of app I'm talking about. And then next is a customer base that's too big. Like, one problem a large customer base can bring is that it's going to be hard to keep track about what kind of applications are getting installed, because having a customer base that's too big means that you don't really know your main demographic, because it's going to be spread out big and thin. And then the sheer number of Android users around the world can make some of the data very, very hard to read. And then we'll talk about like the dashboard that we propose. We propose a very simple dashboard which is going to be rigid and simple. First is going to be the data relationship. The relationship between our data set can be shown here by this picture, with a category having multiple applications and multiple applications having an application having multiple reviews. And the next this is a sample of the data set that we are using. This is not all of the data, this is just a snippet of the data that we are using to create the dashboard. As you can see, there's an application name, a category, rating, and the total reviews that the app are getting. And then this is the front page of the dashboard that we are designing. It looks simple, but this is the kind of thing that you want to see when you're dealing with so many data. Okay, for the presentation, that's it. Thank you from me. And then next we are going to talk, I'm just going to straight give you a little bit of a demo of the dashboard that we created. So let's switch to the Microsoft Power BI application. Okay. Now what you see is the dashboard that I show on the PowerPoint, and then there's a second page here which shows the data in a bit more of a detail. It shows that like the installs by type, which which type of application that are getting installed more, the free type or the paid. And then over here you can see the table which is sorted by category. You can see the average rating for each category. So if you want to see, like say a medical, just a purely medical one, you can just click it, and then the data will just show you like the medical data. As you can see there, the rating is that, and then the highlighted is just that. This is the total ratings by that, and then here is the total apps that people are making by using these categories. And well, it may seem simple, but it shows the more of the important data, like the total installs and the average rating and stuff. And I'm afraid that's all I can presentate for now. If I have any misspelled words or anything at all, I'm sorry. And that's all from our group. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.